Hey guys, this lesson's on Introduction to Motion. And in motion, there's one of the most simplest equations that is very useful is velocity equals distance over time. An important thing to understand when it comes to velocities is, or something that's important to go over, is there's a difference between velocity and speed. In everyday, they're pretty interchangeable, but in physics, it's important to know that velocity is a vector and speed is a scalar. And the difference between a vector and a scalar is that a scalar is just a magnitude. So the speed of something will just be 13 miles per hour, or 15 miles per hour, or 1,000 miles per hour, or whatever you want. But a vector, on the other hand, is a magnitude and a direction. So a vector, on the other hand, will be something along the lines of 13 miles per hour north, or 23 miles an hour south, or something with the direction, some speed with the direction. And that's pretty simple. Okay, the next thing is understanding this equation. The velocity equals distance over time. So let's just give it some units. Let's say we're trying to find our velocity, and we are going 100 meters. That's our distance, 100 meters, in 10 seconds. So that's pretty simple. It's just some very basic division, just 10 over 100, which equals 10. So our velocity will equal 10 meters per second. And it's important to understand that when you multiply in physics, you have to also multiply the units. In this case, I multiplied the meters and seconds by dividing them. So it equals velocity equal 10 meters per second. But if we change around this equation, let's say velocity times time equals distance. It's the same as this. We just took this t and put it over here. Let's say we have a velocity of 10 meters per second, like we did. That's our v still. And we're going 10 meters per second for 5 seconds. That's our time. And with that, we'll try to find our distance of how far we go. So let's put these in a better form so we can see it. Let's say, okay, so 10 meters per second. This time I'm going to put the 1 second on the bottom, because we're going 10 meters per 1 second. And we're multiplying it by 5 seconds. And I'm just going to put a 1 under that, just so it's, it makes more sense to see. And that will give us our x still. So we see that there's an s on the bottom and the s on the top of this one. So the s's can cancel out. So now there's no more seconds in this. It is now just an equation of 10 meters times 5. So that will give us 50 meters. And that's how you use this equation. Just keep working at it, and I'm sure you'll master it in no time. I'll see you in the next lesson.